Hey guys, welcome to my channel Easy Math, and today I'm gonna teach you guys basic math, which basically consists of addition, subtraction, and multiplication as well as division. So, basically, addition. As you know, addition refers to adding two numbers. Addition is nothing but adding two numbers. And all of us are familiar with this plus sign, which indicates adding or addition. So basically, adding real numbers and adding fractions are totally different. You can you can simply add 1 with 1 plus 1 with 1, and write the sum of these two numbers as 2. Here, you don't need to take LCM or else even do uh, fractional addition for these terms, because here 1 is a whole number, and even 2 is a whole number. Basically, sum of two whole numbers is always a whole number. Two sum of two whole numbers sum of two whole numbers is always a whole number. So you get 1 plus 1 as 2, which is a whole number, which you got by adding two whole numbers. Then moving on, as you guys are familiar with fractions, which are basically like 1 divided by 2, or 1 by 2, 1 by 2 by 3, 3 by 4, and so on. When you are adding two fractional numbers, you get a fractional or a whole number. So here, let's consider two natural numbers, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So basically, these two are fractional terms or fractional numbers, and their sum can be either fractional or a whole number. So here we're gonna use LCM. We're gonna find these sum of these numbers using LCM, which stands for LCM, which is nothing but least common number or least common multiple. So how to find LCM? Basically, LCM can be found using the following steps. First, write down the fractions which you got. Then multiply the denominator of second number with numerator of of first one, which follows like this, like 1 into 4. Same wise multiply denominator of first term with second numerator, with numerator of second term, numerator. So it would be 3 into 2 and divided by in denominator just multiply the two denominators, which are just multiply the two denominators of these fractional terms. So the sum of these two fractions would be 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 8, which is equals to 10 by 8. See, 10 by 8 is a fractional number. So this way we can add two fractions. In this way you can find the sum of two fractional numbers, and sum of two whole numbers, then sum of two integers, then or to find the sum of two decimal numbers. Let's consider a decimal number 1.75 and then another decimal number 2.65. So how do we add 1.75 and 2.65? It is done using decimal addition, which is basically just write 1.75 as it is, then try to write the second decimal term according to the first term's order, especially like 2 is in ones place decimal point, 7 is in 10th place, and 5 is in 1 by 100th place. So this is 1 by 10th place, this is 1 by 100th place. Same as given here, 1 by 10th place is 6 and 1 by 100th place is 5. When you add this, just do common addition. 5 plus 5 is 10, then 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 4 point. This is actually 14. So I took the ones place in this sum, and I casually substituted or took this one to further calculate the another term, which turns out to be 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is 4.4. So the sum of two numbers 2.65 plus 1.75 is 4.4. Thank you.